The formation, brothers.
Take off flaps.
Taking off.
China cleared.
What the heck?
Gear up. Flaps up.
Like, what the hell?
Alright, I'm gonna go crazy.
Why are you going so fast?
And then I'm gonna do the ups.
Okay.
Woo!
Oh shit, it's doing it again.
Oh man.
It is not a good feeling. It's like a You can actually see the lights now. Look at how this thing jumps when you hit the throttle.
I'm gonna go up and I'm gonna flip it and come back down.
Whoa, we hit weird wind right there.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Dang, why are we shooting up like that? Sheesh.
Nice.
Woo! I think we'll be there at the same time. Yeah, we're good. Dude, it is cold. Holy crap. Go. Jesus, I'm freezing. Oh.
How you know we're spoiled? California spoiled.
Yeah, we're spoiled. No complaining.
Landing
People from
flaps.
the East
Gear
Coast right now
down.
be wearing shorts.
Yeah, we're
Look, it's so nice out.
I know. Sorry to all you people watching in other places where it's inhospitable. That was a bounce.
Time remaining 1 minute. Flaps up. Flaps up. Gear up.
Dude, the wind is cold. My God. Another one?
Yeah.
Landing flaps. Gear down.
I'm trying to wait for you. There you go.
Flaps up. Gear up.
I love that turn because we're always like doing the same thing.
30 seconds. Take off flaps. Gear down. Landing flaps.
I hit it one notch.
Flaps up. Gear up.
Oh, it's cold. My God. Yeah, that
1.0.
9,
We're
8,
pushing it.
7,
And it's also
6,
cold.
it's cold.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
My gear aren't out,
Time
so
expired.
I'm still good. Yeah, I'm pretty much done. I'm freezing. Jesus.
Gear down. Landing flaps.
Yeah. It's freaking cold. Oh, that's a peacock. Ah, yeah, good way to end the day. I'm freezing. Time to go. Yeah, I like that the wind didn't pick up till the end of the day.
Yeah.
We didn't have any. We didn't have wind like this at all throughout the day. Yeah, it's just a little cold.
Arguably pretty good.
Yeah, no, it is good. If we had gloves and you know, whatever.
Yeah, especially given that we're used to landing that way.